I'm here in the greenhouse and I'm a little bit behind on harvesting radishes and peas that I actually started in late December. I grew them in this bed. Last night I was like, you know what, I'm gonna harvest those radishes finally. Oh, if I add the peas to the radish top pesto, that could be really nice. Everything's looking pretty good. Oh, there's a Asian lady beetle, and I see some aphids. I've had aphid pressure on these radishes. I never really realized it. Every day I've tried to come in here and get them, but they've just found ways to live. So I'm kind of done with this side. The radishes are done, and here we go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull off all of the peas. And normally if we were outside, I would just pull these and then I would leave the peas, but I kind of got what I needed out of the peas. I wanted to see if they were good. They're good. I tasted them. And I just kind of wanted to see what they would do in the greenhouse and if these would germinate, which all of those things happened. So kind of my test of that was successful. So I got a bunch of peas out of there. Here are the rest of my radishes. I think the first thing I'm going to do is we'll go ahead and pull a radish. Let's see what we got. Oh, so that didn't really work. All right, let's try another one. Oh, and these are French, so they are supposed to be kind of tubular. Oh, that one's better. That one's a little better. What's interesting is the leaves did really well, so I wonder what I did wrong when I do. Oh, there we go. There's a little Easter guy. That's cute. Yeah, that's a nice size. That's a nice little guy. That's gonna be good eats. There's a nice one too. I believe these were Easter radishes. And I love radish top pesto. The radish tops are really nice, so having the radish tops is still worth it. We're gonna be able to get some nice pesto out of the leaf. Radish tops and peas. If you think about like how small this size is and what everything was, pretty successful, I think. It could have been better in a lot of ways. I think maybe I put them too close together, but it's a very small space in the greenhouse. So the fact that I'm gonna get like a nice pesto out of this and eat that tonight and have something healthy for dinner, it's exciting.